13 ways to increase your frequency now. Raise your vibration.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. That's what this podcast is all about. Your dreams, your goals accomplished through the science of the law of attraction. So today we're going to talk about 13 ways that you can instantly increase your frequency, which means that you will be in greater harmony with the wonderful things that you desire to attract into your life. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. And so by raising your frequency, your ability to attract the life that you deeply desire becomes easier, more effortless, and it's more fun, and you feel better, and you communicate with others better, and you just flow into the world better. So here we go, 13 ways to increase your frequency now. Now, these techniques, there are techniques that take time. These do not. These will have immediate effect the day that you use them. Okay, number one, move your body. Oh, yeah. Move that body. Okay, get that body moving, jumping up and down. In my bedroom, I have a trampoline. It's not for what you think it is. I have a trampoline for jumping up and down, and it's a way of moving my body. Put some music on, crank it up, and jump up and down on the trampoline. But you don't need a trampoline. You can run, you can walk, you can ride a bicycle, you can swim. Move your body. Number two, meditate. Some people like transcendental meditation. I like visualization meditation. I close my eyes, I breathe deep in the fourfold breath for a few moments, and then I visualize one thing, and I feel it in my body. I visualize that new boat. I see myself speeding it up and going over the waves, waving to everybody. It's a cool boat. It's very cool. It goes very, very fast. Oh, yeah. That's how it works. That's how I like to visualize and meditate, but you can just do some deep breathing exercises as well. And in place of meditation, may I suggest daily yoga. Yoga will help you raise your vibration, your frequency, very, very fast. These are ways of increasing your frequency and raising your vibration. So, number 3 is 11-11 meditation. There's 2 times a day, in the afternoon and the evening. If you're in an office, all I do is close my eyes, and I take my middle finger and I just kind of rub my third eye. Close my eyes for a moment, rub my third eye, and then with my eyes closed, I start to see things. I start to see things that I couldn't normally see with my eyes open. And again, this doesn't last very long, maybe a minute or 2. But by doing this every day, by just rubbing your third eye at the moment of 11:11, okay? So I set my alarm. I have an Apple Watch. I set my alarm 5 minutes in advance, and there it goes. Oh, 11:11's coming up. Close my eyes, rub my third eye, and then practice seeing with my third eye. Practice feeling with my third eye. Practice tapping in to my intuition with my third eye. And again, at night, if I'm not already asleep, If I'm still up, the alarm goes off and boom, I'm meditating on my third eye at the exact precise moment of 11:11. Number 4 is my favorite. You pay it forward. Oh, yeah. Pay it forward. You know, you're going to buy somebody a cup of coffee at Starbucks. You're going to give somebody a little bit of help that needs your help. I always, look, I'm not stupid. I make certain that the person really needs the help. I got to tell you a story. Can I tell them the story, Rachel? Do we have time for this? There's a place between Phoenix and Tucson that we stop off at to get gas, and they have some of the very coolest, neatest Indian jewelry there. And there's a guy that is parked there with his hood up, and he's got a sign, like a homemade sign, that says, "Car broke down, out of gas, need help." Well, we were there one day early, and we literally saw him drive into place, park his car, get into position, put his hood up, put his sign out. In other words, the whole thing is a scam. So I look for people that I really believe could use a little help, and I pay it forward. I don't expect anything back. It just comes back. That's how it works.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.
Number 5 is what I call practicing present moment awareness. When you find your mind going back into the past or jumping into the future, futurizing or living in the past, maybe past pain, past experiences, get back into your breath, get back into your breathing, and practice present moment awareness. Be right now. This is your time. This is your moment. Tomorrow is promised to no one, but this moment you can master. This is the moment that you can manifest in. So stop futurizing. Stop living in the past. Stop wondering why he said this, why she did that, why they did this, and just get present. Present moment awareness. Number 6, time in nature. And, whether it's the ocean or the mountains or the forest or the desert, find some nature, get out there and enjoy it. And just breathe deep and relish that time in nature. It's so wonderful. We've been talking about getting a camper that literally fits right on top of our Jeep. And so we can get way out into the backwoods someplace where there's no campsites, no other human beings, and we could pull out our tent on top of our Jeep, so we're sleeping up. I think it's going to be fun. I think it's going to be great. Anybody else have a Jeep, want to join us? No, we don't want you. That's the whole idea. It's about getting out there all by yourself. Number 7, fill your mind with good thoughts, books, podcasts, videos, Gaia TV. There's so many wonderful networks, Law of Attraction Radio Network. All of these have information and energy and vibration that's much higher that will help you raise your frequency. Look at the whole idea is to raise your frequency, to increase your frequency, and to raise your vibration. That's what this is all about. And you can do that by, I like audible.com because we can listen to various books on audible.com, and it's wonderful. Well, number 8 is just eating more fruits and vegetables, drinking plenty of clean, clear water. But there's a caveat, and I never thought about this till recently. I think that perhaps you should eat the fruits and vegetables that are in season within your area, and they should be locally grown. I don't know that there is as much of a benefit in eating blueberries in the winter from Argentina. I think blueberries, when they are in season in your area, you should consume them. And when they're not in season, you don't consume them. That's the way your body was designed. Your body was designed to work with the 4 elements, with the 4 seasons. Number 9 is action. 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 Okay. There is no attraction without action, and nothing seems to raise your frequency or increase your frequency and raise your vibration faster than action, action, action. It doesn't have to be huge actions, though sometimes it does. But little actions make the difference. You know, when that airplane pilot is flying across the country, it's little adjustments that make the difference between landing in the airport in Boston or Toronto and landing in New York or Chicago. Little adjustments. So make little adjustments, take little actions each and every day to keep yourself on course with your goals and your dreams and what you desire to manifest through the law of attraction. So number 10 on my list is simply to claim responsibility. And you can do that by writing it down. Okay, you can get out a little book and you can say, you know, I'm responsible for what's going on in my world. And here are the things that are going on in my world that I absolutely love. And here are the things that I've attracted into my life that I don't love. I was talking with a client last night, and all she wanted to talk about was her boyfriend. And at some point, I said, wait a minute. This is about you. You attracted this situation. I'm not saying that your boyfriend didn't take actions or inactions that were appropriate or inappropriate. All I'm saying is that you've attracted it. And so by changing your frequency and changing your vibration, you start to attract new things. And that's what it's really all about. I claim responsibility for all the good, how does Rachel say it? The good, the bad, the ugly, and the beautiful that's in my life. I claim responsibility. Number 11, recite the prayer of St. Francis. Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is injury, pardon. Where there is doubt, faith. Where there is despair, hope. Where there is darkness, light. Where there is sadness, joy. O divine Master, grant that I may not so much seek to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love. For it is in giving that we receive, it is in pardoning that we are pardoned, and it is in dying that we are born to eternal life. Amen. I love that prayer. I highly recommend that you get a nice printed copy of it, frame it, put it in your house somewhere, and from time to time just look at it, read it, memorize it, and make it yours. I know Wayne Dyer, Dr. Wayne Dyer, was so enamored by the energy and the vibration of St. Francis, and he loved that prayer so much, and I highly recommend reading it on a daily basis. Okay, number 12, practice Ho'onoponopono. You can get several books on the subject. Joe Vitale has written one or two. There are others. There are videos out on YouTube. But practice this Hawaiian prayer technique. I think it's a wonderful way of bringing forgiveness and healing to your life and to others. And if you're really patient, we'll be putting out some more audio programs on it because I use it with clients quite a bit. And it's very, very effective. Very effective. So anyway, we'll have more videos and audios on that in the near future. Number 13, finally, make conscious effort to be open to love. I mean, focus on your heart chakra, literally being open to the universe. Love the universe. Love nature. Love creation. Love people. Love yourself. I love me. I love you. I love us. Thank you so much for listening, and be sure and share your comments down below about any special way that you like to go about raising your vibration and opening yourself up to higher consciousness, we'd love to share them. We'd love to read them. We'd love to comment